Welcome to the training How to Get Started with Excel. I am Amaka Ifebunando, the Excel coach. This training is targeted at helping beginners gain detailed understanding of basic Excel features that you will need in order to perform your tasks more efficiently. Microsoft Excel is an office tool that is used by a variety of users across the globe. We have engineers, we have statisticians, we have managers, we have project managers, we have accountants, we have economics. The list is endless. This tool is a global tool, permit me to say that, used by a lot of disciplines across the globe. Now, the more skillful you are with this tool, the more efficient you will become working with this tool. The more efficient you become carrying out your tasks, doing the work you need to do in less time. So what will you be learning in this training? You will understand Microsoft Excel interface and how to navigate around it with ease. You will understand how to work with data, cells, rows, and columns. You will understand the different cell formatting options available to you in Excel. You will understand the different copy and paste options you have in Excel. You will also understand how to navigate the different worksheets and windows options. You will understand the printing option available to you in Excel so that you can present your work to your end users in a well-structured format and in a readable format. You will also understand how to protect your worksheet and workbook after you have done the hard work. Right. So if you want to get the workbooks I'll be using all through this training, I'll be dropping a link in the description section for you to sign up for this training. It is free. When you sign up, you'll gain access to the workbook. And why do you need the workbook? You need to practice, you need to work along so that you will understand better and you will appreciate each and every section of this training. Right. So let's get started with this training. I'll see you on the other side of the training. Bye for now.